Okay, as an example of direct proof, it's a case of just setting yourself up with what's been given and work your way through. So every single question is going to be different. So there's no standard format that you can always take. You just have to learn the sort of the tricks and the sort of the keys to unlocking a question. So in this question, the key thing idea is the idea about being even is you can write it as 2 multiplied by something. So in this case, if we start with the facts, okay. So um, if we say that x is even, then we can say that x can be written in the format of 2 multiplied by something, where that something is going to be an integer value. Okay, so let's call it a, just for the sake of calling it something. The key thing is it's an integer value, z there. Okay. Likewise, we can also say the same thing about y. If y is even, then y is 2 lots of something else. Okay, unless x and y are the same thing, you just have a different letter there. And obviously, again, b is any integer, any possible integer value. So the key thing here is that now we want to try and then now look at the statement they're looking at, which is the sum. So if we take those two values, x and y, and add them together, well, what is that equal to? That is equal to 2a plus 2b. We can see there's a common factor there, so we can say it's 2 lots of a plus b, and so the final line, the sort of the conclusion, the connecting, then gives us the final conclusion. Since 2 is a factor, okay, of x plus y, we have a situation where x plus y must be even. Okay, but going back to this idea that if something is even, 2 is a factor of it. If 2 is a factor, then it's even.